colorful wooden casing and inside it has lead. The purpose of pencil is to write. To serve its purpose, the pencil has to undergo painful sharpening before the lead comes out, and actually it serves its purpose. Respected esteemed panel of judges, my dear friends and fellow contestants, a very good morning to all of you. I am Rishi Rame from Baroda High School, Bagikhana, studying in Standard 8. No pain, no gain is a common phrase which is used to describe the idea that achieving success requires putting in hard work and enduring discomfort. This means that achieving success requires putting in long hours and sacrificing leisure times helps us to achieve our goals. For example, this pencil gives a very valuable message. In life, unless we go through painful sharpening, the best thing within us cannot come out. For example, we all know Thomas Alva Edison. He invented the electric bulb. For this, he has roughly experimented around 10,000 times. So, with every failure, he learned the lesson that I have not just failed, I have just found 10,000 ways that won't work. Luck will not forever as always. Luck is when the opportunity knocks at our doorstep. If we don't work hard, we will surely meet failure. Not only in exam, but also in the life. We all know the story of the thirsty crow. The pain it has taken to drop the pebbles one by one in the pitcher has given the end result of his work hard. And friends, you will succeed in life without taking the things for granted. What a man earns by the sweat of his brow gives him a greater degree of satisfaction than he gets by a stroke of fortune. Life is not bed of roses. Life has certain up and downs. Unless we face the challenges of life with a smile, we cannot succeed in life. Edwin Moses was an astonishing track and field athlete. He was 400-meter hurdler. In an interview, he had the world record of winning 122 events at a stretch. He was asked what is the secret of his success. He told that I have not failed. I have greater ability to tolerate pain than others. Why? Because athletes are always facing pain. The body says no, but they are pushing them beyond their limits. So more the pain you can tolerate, that the extent you can stretch yourself, which I absolutely say. If you say no pain, then no gain. You stay in your comfort zone. Life is not bed of roses. Life has certain ups and downs. So if you don't work hard, you will surely meet failure. So I would say that you should always welcome pain because it will result in your stronger, steadier and more useful person to the society. Now I like to end with a two-line poem and a shlok. If little labor, little are our gains. Man's faith is according to his pain. उद्मे नहि सिद्ध्यन्ति कार्याणि न मनोरथे नहि सुप्तस्य श्रेयस्य भविष्यन्ति मिखे मृगा. कुछ भी पाने के लिए मेहनत करनी पड़ती है, बिना विचारे और सोचे हमें नहीं मिल जाता है. जैसे कि सोते हुए शेर के मुख में हिरण अपने आप ही नहीं आ जाता है. शुभम भवतु. थैंक यू.